Hello and welcome back to Arabisk. Today we are going to talk about quadratic equations and how to factor them. I will show you a very good trick that you can apply to any quadratic equation regardless of its complexity. So today we're going to look at this example here. 3x squared plus 14x minus 5 equals 0. I'm going to show you the trick that is called magic X. So what we want to do is we want to factor it like this. Okay? The trick is called magic X simply because it's literally an X. So, okay? So the first thing we need to do is multiply the two coefficients, the first one and that one. So 3 times minus 5 equals minus 15. At the bottom of the X, we put this number 14. Next thing we need to do is find the numbers that when we multiply them gives us minus 15, and when we add them together gives us 14. So we're going to need to list all the pair combinations. So minus 15 and 14, so basically this is what we need. So multiply gives us that, and addition gives us that. So with minus 15 we have 1 minus 15, minus 1, 15, 3, minus 5, minus 3, and then 5. So the first one, 1 minus 15, yes, it's minus 15, but minus 15, 1, that's not correct, gives us a negative 14, so that's out of the way. Minus 1, 15 gives us minus 15, correct, and 15 minus 1 gives us 14, so this is the correct combination. So let's just like this. So what we need to do is put the first number, minus 1, on the left side, and on the right side we put 15. Okay, you follow me? Okay. So next thing we need to do is take the coefficient 3 and put it at the bottom here, and then same thing here. So we have a fraction, two fractions, and we need to simplify them. So minus 1, 3, it's already simplified. 15, 3, that can be simplified as we divide by 3, so that gives us 5, 1. Okay, so we have these fractions here. So now what we need to do, we need to use these fractions in order to factor the equation. Let me just write this a bit bigger so it's clearer. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do is the bottom number of the equation of this fraction will be the first the coefficient of x, and the bottom number will be the constant. The same thing with the other fraction. So the bottom one is the coefficient of x, and the positive 5 is the constant. Okay, we're almost there. Now let's solve the x's here. So 3x minus 1. So what we need to do is we split them into two solutions. So 3x minus 1 equals 0, so it can be written as this, or 3x equals 1, x equals 1, 3, 1/3. Okay, so that's one solution. We do the same thing with the other one. So in here, 1x plus 5 equals 0, x equals minus 5, 1, which is x equals minus 5. And here we go. So these are the two solutions. Either x equals 1/3 or x equals minus 5. What we could do now, we could just check one of them to see if it's going to give us value 0. So if we take the equation, the quadratic equation, and substitute the x with the minus 5, this is what we're going to get. So we need to make sure that will give us 0. So 3 minus 5 squared 2 plus 14 minus 5 minus 5 equals 0. So minus 5 squared 2, that's 25. Okay. 14 minus 5, that's minus 70. Minus 5 equals 0. 325, that's 75. Minus 70 minus 5 equals 0. 75 minus 70, that's 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. So that's correct. I will let you check the second one, and if it equals to 0, please leave me a comment in the comment section. So that's it for now. I hope this trick can help you solve any quadratic equation, and I hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.